How to contact Agoda customer support. First of all, open the app on your device and sign into your account. Next, tap on More from the bottom menu. Scroll down and select Help Center. Here you will find multiple options to get assistance. You can choose to chat with a live agent directly through the app for instant help, or browse the Q&A section covering topics such as account management, booking details, payment, refunds, and more. After tapping Contact Agoda Customer Service, you can start a chat and ask any questions you have. Agoda customer support is available 24 by 7, ensuring you can get help anytime for a reservation, payment, or technical issues. Following these steps helps you resolve problems quickly and ensures a smooth booking experience. Now you know how to contact Agoda customer support. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more booking tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.